People having download while they recording the video the background noise. So in this video I want to show you how can you reduce the background noise. So let's start the video. But I love it. Audacity for voice editing. So in this video I also using the Audacity. If you want to install the Audacity in your desktop, you can check out my channel or I giving a description below video link. And there is an effect tab, you get a bunch of effects. So we are today using the noise reduction effect. So first to open a file, I having a pre-recorded file. I just open it. In my desktop there is a file. It is approximately 5 to 6 seconds. So you can hear. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of TechHost. I'm here. Look, and you're watching TechHost. There are many background noise you can hear. So first we have to select all the file. You can give a Ctrl+A, but I'm dragging for clear how I doing. So after that click on effect and there is a change speed or pace. That is for changing the voice. Don't click over it. Get to noise reduction and then after get to noise profile and by same selecting the file click on effect and go to save. There is a noise reduction dB decibel. The volume of noise or voice are calculated as dB, sensitive and frequency. After that, and there is a lot more. By after you can select by your touch and give a prepare for editing. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of TechHost. I'm here. Look, and you're watching TechHost YouTube channel. There is a slightly different, not much more. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of TechHost. I'm here. Look, and you're watching TechHost YouTube channel. So by your choice, you can select how much you want sensitivity. You can smoothing or reduction. After that, you can click the hit OK, and that's all. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.